Alright, so we're going to be doing my first fireworks stash update for 2021 New Year's Eve. So let's get started. Right here we have 2 packs of Metallica rockets, pack of radioactive rockets. Right here we have a 210 shot Georgie's. Over here a case of this 25 shot color cake. Right here a case of Candy Crush, this is a 25 shot. Got a case of these vampire rockets. Got a case of Beware of Dog, it's a 49 shot cake. And back here, a couple different cakes. We got Miami Vice, the 19 shot, Snorks, 10 shot, Buck Fever, 25 shot, 2 of the Donalds, 36 shot, half a case of Minion War, it's a 25 shot, Begging Dog, half a case of that, it's a 25 shot too. We got a case of Night Watcher, 25 shot. And over here we have Pigs in a Blanket. It's a 36 shot. And then pretty much we got like a couple leftovers, mainly shells from the 4th. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my first fireworks stash update. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.